करियर की बात करें, इंटरव्यू की बात करें, पीआई पर्सनल इंटरव्यू की बात करें तो बहुत सारे सवालों में से एक सवाल आता है, व्हाट आर योर वीकनेसेस। आज ही मैं किसी बंदे का इंटरव्यू ले रहा था, so when I asked this question to him, tell me what are your weaknesses, what weaknesses you have, तो कहता है बड़े ही अजीब से एटीट्यूड में, वैसे तो मुझ में कोई वीकनेस नहीं है, लेकिन आपने पूछा तो मैं आपको बता दूं, मुझे ठीक से इंग्लिश में बोलने नहीं आता। मैंने कहा और कोई वीकनेस? कहता नहीं सर। मैंने कहा आप में एक वीकनेस है, बता दूं? कहते सर बताओ। मैंने कहा आप में एक वीकनेस है कि आपको आपके वीकनेसेस ढूंढने नहीं आते। तो थोड़ी देर के लिए मुझसे समझ नहीं आते। Whatever. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I think you got the gist of it, what I'm trying to say. We become like unstoppable when it comes to talking about our strengths, you know. But they are also unique to boil down to the measurable strengths. Definitely, we'll talk later when it comes to strength. Today, let me focus on the weaknesses. So, why we struggle to mention the weaknesses? I understand sometimes people say that our responses should be very diplomatic so that we don't get misunderstood and we don't get rejected. Okay, I understand. But then I believe in honesty. But there is a difference between honesty and stupidity. For example, in an interview of Navy, the same question was asked, what are your weaknesses? And one of the candidates said, सर मुझे पानी देख के ही डर लगता है, मुझे चक्कर आते हैं पानी से, समंदर में मेरा बड़ा मुश्किल है। भैया आप नेवी में ज्वाइन होने के लिए आ रहे हो, आपकी ज़िंदगी समंदर में बीतेगी और आप कहते हो आप समंदर देख के आपको चक्कर आते हैं, सी सिकनेस बेसिकली, so that is conflicting. तो फिर आप आए क्यों? Likewise, if you are getting into a bank and if you say my weakness is, so the moment when I look at the balance sheet, डेबिट क्रेडिट नोट देखता हूँ सर मेरा सर घूमने लग जाता है. So this is like you need to understand what you are saying. Well, some people they don't know what are their weaknesses. So definitely one should mention about the weakness. For example, could be related with temperament or could be related with some competency building. I mean knowledge gap or some lack of skill development or something like. But then also you should be ready because the next question can come if the interviewer is smart. Suppose you say, one of my weaknesses is anger, anger management. Then the other person, could empathize him because anger is very, very natural. But then he may ask, she may ask, so what are you working? So are you working on your anger management? Then you should be ready with the honest response. Yes. Maybe 2 years ago.